Today we are gonna edit this image using the free features in Lightroom mobile. For editing purpose, send your photos to info.shravanphotography@gmail.com. Also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. This image sent by Sanket. First of all, thanks to Sanket. First I am gonna use the color mix tool. In the red color, moving the hue to -22 and adding some saturation, also moving the luminance +27. In the next color orange, decreasing some hue, saturation -22, adding luminance +34. In the next color yellow, decreasing maximum hue for a orangish picture, also saturation -34, adding some luminance +16. In the next color green, decreasing the hue to -73, also decreasing the saturation -75, adding some luminance +22. In the next color aqua, decreasing maximum hue and saturation -67, adding some luminance 16. In the next color blue, decreasing the hue -50 and the saturation to -70, luminance -42. In the remaining colors, decreasing the maximum saturations. Now we are back to the color menu, adding some warmth +10, decreasing the tint -20, adding the vibrance +50, also decreasing the saturation -10. Now going to light menu, adding the exposure to 0.30, decreasing the contrast to -84, highlights -20, increasing the shadows value 55, also adding the blacks +20. Now select the curve. In shadows, moving the first left point towards upside, also adding some contrast, making a point in midtones and increasing the value. Finally, adjusting the highlights and hitting the done button. Now select the effect menu, adding the dehaze value 30 and decreasing the clarity -10, decreasing the vintage value -26, midpoint value 10, increasing the maximum value in feather, roundness and highlights. Now select the detail menu, increasing the sharpness value 20 and noise reduction 7 and the color noise reduction 10. The final look is here. Thanks for watching.